Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up the colors and appearance of your MacBook, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So if you want to change the colors or the appearance of your MacBook, or you want to check them out, you can do that if you go to the system preferences at the bottom of the screen, then click on the general, and here you can see this section. So here you can select the light appearance, the dark, or the auto. After that, the accent color, you can see some options here. Alright, and after that you can select the highlight color, and then sidebar icon size, small, medium or large, and allow wallpaper tinting in Windows like this. After that, you can see the show scroll bars automatically based on mouse or trackpad when scrolling or always. The other setting is clicking the scroll bar to jump to the next page or jump to the spot that's clicked. You can select and set up the default web browser, Safari or Google Chrome, or if you have other web browser. After that, the preferred tabs in full screen or never, always when opening documents. You can turn on and off ask to keep changes when closing documents. After that, the close windows when quitting an app, when selected open documents and windows will not be restored when you reopen an app. After that, you can select the items, recent items, document, apps and servers. And you can turn on and off allow handoff between this Mac and iCloud devices. So these are the general settings of your MacBook appearance. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.